Hello everyone, it is Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So today's video I'm super excited about because we are unboxing the Boxycharm Premium box for the month of March. So this particular box this month is all Fenty Beauty products, which I do not have anything from that brand. I do know that it is a little bit of a more expensive brand, but fairly good from what I understand. So I am super excited to have that. So Boxycharm has 3 tiers now. They've got the base box, which is $25, and then they've got the Boxy Premium, which is $35, and then they have the Boxy Luxe, which is $50. And the Boxy Luxe you get every 3 months. The rest of the other two are monthly. So this is the $35 one. You get 6 products in here, and I believe it has to have a value of over 150, I think. I will double check that and put that in the comments down below. So this is what it came looking like this month. So I do actually really like the box. I think the box is cool looking. Okay, so you've got your card here, which is, it just says Boxycharm by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, which is I guess that would be the theme for the month. And then on this side, it's got a list of all of your products with their prices and the variation. Were there, okay. There is no variation on here. So usually you get a card like this that has your variation number at the bottom of it generally. This card this month does not have that. So I don't know if maybe there is, I don't know, maybe there's no variations this month. I don't know. I guess we will find out. All right. So the very first thing that we have is the Killawatt Free Style Highlighter. So this is the box. And this is $36, guys. Yeah, $36. Okay, so this is what the package looks like. I do actually really like the package. I think it is cute. And it's fairly heavy duty. So, oh, that is gold. Okay, so you open it up. You've got your mirror right here. And then you've got your highlighter here, which is gold, guys. Oh my goodness gracious. That is gold. All right, so that is what it looks like. It is beautiful, though, actually. That is really pretty. I don't generally do a gold as a highlighter, but I'll give it a try, and then you might be able to use it as a eyeshadow and stuff, too. So, but, yeah, that is definitely gold. And it is very, very shimmery. Okay, so I don't know if that one's $36. I don't know if I told you guys that yet or not. Okay, the next thing we have is the Match Stick Shimmer Skin Stick. And this is, okay, so that's what the package looks like. It's a different kind of cool little package. I actually don't mind that. And then, oh, and that is gold too. Okay. So that is definitely a gold as well. Okay. So this one here on the bottom right here is the stick, glow stick. So this one's the highlighter. This one is from the glow stick. So that is obviously very gold as well. And this is $25. Let's see. It says you can do highlight, blush, and enhance with this. It is a long wear cream to powder highlighter stick, blendable, and lips to be layered. So, okay, yeah, so $25 for that. I'm sure I can find a use for that. I mean, it is definitely gold, which is not one that I would have probably picked out, but I can probably find a use for it. Okay, the next thing is, this is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. Yeah, again, I do not have this one. I have not tried this one because I don't have anything from Fenty Beauty. So, this is what it looks like, which actually I really love the packaging for this. It is really pretty. And when you open it up, well, maybe we can open it up. Oh, there we go. Okay, you do have a mirror on this side. Oh, sorry. No, I want to blind you guys. And then these are the shades here, which those are pretty. Ooh, those are very, very pretty. Let's see. I'm not going to swatch all of them. I'm just going to kind of swatch a couple shimmers and a couple mattes for you guys. Okay, so there is those four. This one and this one are shimmer shades, and then this one and this one, nope, this one are matte shades. So I love this packaging. They are very creamy. And this is $29. So that's actually not that bad for, okay. That's not nearly as expensive as I thought it was going to be. Okay, so that one is $29. The next thing that we have is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. Okay, and this one is in the shade Diamond Milk. And, oh, that is pretty. Okay, that's what the package looks like. That's actually really pretty. Oh, and that is a super big wand on that. I don't know if you can really see it like that. Actually, you know what? Oh, guys, that is super pretty. Oh, I like that. So I'm not usually a huge fan of lip glosses, but this one is really, really pretty. I really like it. And it actually feels nice on your, it doesn't feel like super sticky, or actually, I really like that. I really like that. Okay. And this is $19 for this. All right. So the next thing that we have is this, which is this is a matte lipstick. This is in the shade Single. It looks like it might be like a brownish color. Okay, so that's what the packaging looks like. I like the packaging so far on all of these. Okay, and then, oh yeah, that's a nice, like a nude brown color. That's actually really pretty. I like that. Oh, and it's very creamy. Okay, that's what it looks like. I actually really like that shade, and it feels very, very creamy. So this is, how much are you? This is $18. All right, so the last thing that we have, this is the Invisimatte blotting papers. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't really fully know what I'm supposed to do with these. I don't really have oily. Oh, okay, but that's cute because that's got a little mirror on it, and that's actually cute. Like I don't really have. Oh, did I break it? Have oily skin. So I know that these are used for people with oily skin to kind of help, I guess, during the day, I guess. Oh, I don't know. And I'm just totally messing this all up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. There we go. Okay. I don't know how these work exactly. So I guess they go in here, would be my guess. Oh, and I just broke it. Oops. Well, that's okay. Okay, so, but this is what the paper looks like. So, and it's supposed to, I guess, like, soak up all of the, like, oils and the shine and stuff, I guess, on your face throughout the day without messing up your makeup. So, I'll probably end up giving those to my daughter because, like I said, I don't really use blotting papers. I'll have to fix it first, I guess. Yeah, I'll have to definitely fix it first because I done broke it. Okay. So that was everything in this box. We've got the highlighter here, which is $36. And then we've got the shimmer stick here, which is $25. And then we have the eyeshadow palette that is $29. And then the gloss bomb is $19. And then the matte lipstick is $18. And then the blotting papers that I have to fix because I just done broke them is $16. So we have a total of $143. So that's not bad. I'm super excited to try this. I love the packaging on it. And it seems really, really nice. It seems really nice. So I'm definitely excited to get this. I actually really like the lip gloss, which I'm not a lip gloss person, but I actually really like it. And then these I can definitely find a use for. So that is everything that I got in this month's Boxy Premium. I will do a tutorial using the palette and then do a review on the other items in the box as well. So thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.